Hello food lovers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a healthy and delicious oat and plantain swallow. So if you love amala like I do and you're looking for a nutritious alternative, this recipe is a great option, and this is because it has a similar satisfying texture just like amala, and it pairs well with different soups. It also provides the added benefits of fiber from oats and plantain, and this makes it a nutritious swallow that is worth adding to your menu. So let's get started. To begin, you'll need a cup of oats. I'm using quick oats here, but you can also use rolled oats if that's what you have. Oats are high in fiber, potassium, and compared to other grains, they are higher in protein. And you also need one medium-sized plantain. Plantain is also a good source of fiber, potassium, and vitamins. To begin, you're going to wash your plantain really well before cutting. Then using a knife, you're going to cut off the two ends of your plantain, and you're going to make a shallow slit lengthwise through the skin. Then slide your thumb under the peel and lift the skin away. Once you're done with that, you're going to set the skin aside and cut your plantain into pieces. And we are doing this to help the blender blend the plantain really well and smooth. If you're still watching to this point, thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, so you don't miss any of my amazing recipes. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Now that our plantains are peeled and ready, you're going to get your blender, pour in your oats along with the plantains, add some water and blend this until it is really smooth. Now this recipe will make you about 2 balls of medium-sized swallow, but if you're making this for more than 2 people, you're just going to double the measurement. When I mean double the measurement, I mean use 2 cups of your oats along with 2 medium-sized plantain. As you can see, our mixture is ready, it's blended, and it is really smooth. Guys, you need this to be really smooth to get that texture that you want. I just went ahead to pour this into a pot, rinsed the blender and poured it too. Then using your spatula, you're going to put your pot on medium heat and just begin to stir. For this recipe, you need to be patient. You're going to keep stirring because once you take a pause, you may have some lumps. Just keep stirring and the mixture is going to thicken up like you see on the screen. It's going to begin to seem like it has some lumps, but just be patient. Just keep stirring and this is where the magic begins. It will begin to thicken up and it will begin to change color from like a milky color to a dark brown color. So you'll need to keep stirring this continuously over medium heat, and this will help the mixture thicken evenly and develop that smooth stretchy texture that we look for in a good swallow. Next, once it has thickened up a bit, you're going to add some water and just cover and let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now what this does is that it cooks the dough so that you don't have that raw taste when you are eating it. Once it has cooked for about 2 to 3 minutes, you are going to, on medium heat, you're going to take your spatula again and begin mixing. Like I said, you need to be patient with this process. Once you've mixed it up, you can even taste this. Once you've tasted this, you will know if your oats and plantain flour is ready to be served. At this point, I was just mixing this a little more so that it comes together really nicely. And once you taste and you're satisfied with this, then your oat and plantain flour is ready to be served. Now that our oat and plantain swallow is ready, I'm going to transfer this onto a cling film and wrap it neatly. Just get your cling film, cut a portion of it, the one that's going to be enough to wrap one of your swallow, place it onto a plate or a bowl, and just scoop the amount that you need. Now, this helps maintain its shape, it helps keep it warm until you are ready to eat, and it's easier to serve this way. You can see that the texture is smooth, it is firm, and it is ready to be enjoyed with your favorite soup. So guys, that's it for today's recipe. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Share this video to your family and friends. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.